Let's have a look at the idea of dynamic memory allocation. This is where we're going to really step it up a notch in terms of how we can access and manipulate memory in our programs. As we've seen, programs manipulate data. We've got sequences of instructions that read data by reading and storing values from variables that we can use. Now, as developers, we need ways of flexibly working with the data within our programs. One of the challenges is that variables have fixed size. Now, we've had a look at dynamic arrays. These behind the scenes are using some features that we don't yet have access to. So how do they actually work? How can we have a variable or access to some memory where we can change the amount of space that is stored in that memory, or how much data we are actually storing? So with the right tools, we can implement these sort of features ourselves. We can have access to memory. We can request more memory if we want to store more data. We can request less memory if we want less data. What we need to do is start to have a look at the tools available within programming languages that make it possible to allocate and deallocate memory dynamically, so that you can say, I want this much RAM, and request a certain amount. And then you can say, actually, I've finished with that, you can have it back. Let's have a look at that in these videos.